Tableau is one of the most recognisable names in business analytics. For many organisations, it was the first tool that made data feel approachable, visual and interactive. While it's often grouped under the broad BI banner, Tableau's real legacy is more specific. It changed how people explore data by making visual interaction fast, intuitive and accessible to non-technical users. Tableau originated from research in the early 2000s built around a visual query approach that translates drag and drop interactions into database queries. At the time, analytics was dominated by static reports and IT-owned BI systems. Asking a new question often meant waiting days or writing SQL. Tableau let users explore data visually while the system handled the query generation. After Salesforce acquired Tableau, Tableau's roadmap increasingly aligned with Salesforce's identity, governance and AI direction while still operating as a standalone product. Tableau's enduring strength is its visualization. It excels at turning structured data into interactive charts, dashboards and stories with minimal friction. Filters and selections respond quickly, encouraging exploration rather than static reporting. And for many users, Tableau feels like a visual conversation with data. Tableau also lowered the barrier to entry. Business analysts without deep engineering backgrounds could build sophisticated dashboards with drag and drop interactions. This democratization of analytics shifted work closer to the business and reduced dependency on central IT for simple questions. It also benefits from one of the strongest ecosystems in analytics. Deep community support, training resources, conferences, and a large talent pool reduce the adoption risk and help organizations scale usage. Tableau's AI is assistive, not foundational, and Tableau's AI capabilities are best understood as accelerators of authoring and consumption. Natural language assistants can help create charts, generate calculations, and navigate dashboards. Tableau's AI does not independently reason. It speeds up the interaction with what already exists. Tableau assumes that the hard work has already been done upstream. Tableau will visualize whatever it's given. If two teams define revenue differently, Tableau will happily show both. The AI layer does not resolve semantic ambiguity, it interacts with it faster. Tableau is also configuration-led. It shows what teams already know to look for. If something was not modeled, calculated or visualized, it effectively doesn't exist. Discovery still depends on humans designing the right views and asking the right questions. Finally, Tableau feels fast because the visual layer is optimized for interactivity. Tableau earned its place by changing how people see and interact with data. Its evolution from a desktop visualization tool to an enterprise platform reflects both its success and its constraints. Even with AI assistance, Tableau remains a visual analytics layer built on top of pre-existing models. It performs well at clarity and communication, but not cognition or reasoning. Salesforce has emerged as one of the most credible enterprise AI leaders. Agentforce, their agentic AI platform, represents a genuine attempt at reasoning agents rather than chat interfaces. Salesforce has the compute infrastructure, the model partnerships, and the enterprise relationships to deploy AI at scale. And this creates an interesting tension for Tableau. In theory, being part of Salesforce should position Tableau to benefit from some of the most advanced enterprise AI capabilities available. The AI could flow through Tableau's visualization layer, potentially transforming it from a display tool into something closer to an analytical reasoning system. But this also exposes Tableau's semantic layer problem. Tableau's current architecture assumes this layer exists elsewhere. It visualizes whatever data it receives, regardless of whether customer means the same thing across different data sets or whether revenue has been calculated consistently. The AI can make the current experience faster and more conversational, but it cannot fix the deeper architectural gap. Salesforce's AI leadership might eventually pull Tableau forward, but only if Tableau's core architecture evolves to support it. In the next episode, I'll recap the 5 products that I've covered and then contrast these with Kiraa, a business analytics engine that's not built with a semantic layer, but with cache augmented generation. In my view, this is the only technology which will truly shift business analytics and could provide the compelling use case that generative AI has been lacking. If you're enjoying these videos, Please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified whenever a new video is published.